Yeah, so thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen of the press. My name is Saitabao Kanchori, and I am the advocate representing Honorable Matthew Lempulken, who 2 weeks ago was imprisoned for the misdemeanor of assault and handed imprisonment for 1 year without the option of a fine. We have learned with very serious concern that there have been forces that have been interfering with the judiciary, with the integrity and independence of the judiciary in relation to Matthew Lempulken's case. We have learned that certain foreign missions in this country, which we have notified the Chief Justice, together with large landowners in Laikipia County, have been corrupting the court process, right from the lower court where the very harsh sentence was handed. We have named the judicial officer, Madam Helen, or Honorable Helen Onkwani, and we have evidence that she met certain operatives from a foreign mission in this country at a place in Kilimani where we have disclosed, and where the details of the case were discussed and the outcome of that case determined in that meeting. We have written to the Chief Justice today on behalf of Matthew Lempulken, because we have also learned that a former Solicitor General approached the judge who is handling Matthew Lempulken's appeal and instructed the judge not to grant Matthew Lempulken bail. This, what I am saying, is information that is verifiable. It is information that we are prepared to support with evidence, and it is information that is credible. The judge that was handling this case was approached by a former Solicitor General of the Republic of Kenya, who was purporting to be acting on behalf of the state, and instructed the judge that the state has been trying to get Matthew Lempulken for a long time, and that she should not grant Matthew Lempulken bail in the matter. We have, however, established beyond doubt that the said former Solicitor General was not acting on behalf of the state in this matter, that he was also a proxy acting on behalf of the same foreign missions and large landowners in Laikipia County who corrupted the process in the lower court. So the details of our letter are before the Chief Justice. We have presented a very detailed complaint citing all those matters, and this obviously is a matter that is not just limited to the case of Matthew Lempulken. It is a matter that expands on the entire fundamental issue of the independence and integrity of the judiciary. And for that reason, we believe that the Chief Justice will take the matter with the seriousness and urgency that it deserves. We do not expect any less. The Maa Nation is aggrieved and highly offended by the action that has been taken against his son and leader. We trust that justice will be allowed to take its course, and we will fight for justice to its logical conclusion. Thank you very much. We have indicated in our letter that the former Solicitor General, and there are very few former Solicitor Generals in question. We have said that we will be willing to disclose that name in camera. But also, in our letter, and pursuant to Article 35 of the Constitution of Kenya, we have requisitioned the CCTV footage for the chambers, for the learned judge, showing, because we know what time he walked in, the period that he walked in after we filed our appeal, and the CCTV footage will show that this gentleman indeed walked into the chambers of the learned judge who is handling this matter. Yes. The appeal, and the appeal raises very many valid and sound grounds, and we have also filed an application for bail pending appeal. The reason that we felt we had to come before the Chief Justice today is because we felt that the court has been compromised to ensure that justice is not granted to Lempulken expeditiously. We know that the court will have no choice but eventually to grant him the bail, but the whole idea is to keep him in prison for as long as it takes, and those are the instructions. So there is no basis why a person who is accused of a minor assault will be kept in jail, while people who have been convicted of very grievous offenses, including serious economic crimes, have been let loose. So that would be a serious application of double standards in the administration of justice that we don't expect will happen. And the court knows that. So the court is only trying to delay, and the instructions from the former Solicitor General are very clear. Delay this matter even if you're not able to deny the bail. Delay it as long as possible. And we're saying justice denied obviously is justice delayed obviously is justice denied. And so this young man, I'm sure, will Lempulken!
Justice!
Lempulken!
Justice!
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Assuring. Yeah. Hello, bye. Very good.